Hey guys, how's it going? It's Helpful Lockpicker here, and in today's video I'm going to answer a question that a lot of people have, and that is going to be, how much use can you get out of one Envo Mask filter? A lot of people are concerned just because they are a little bit pricey. But I just want to first start off by saying the Envo Mask has been a real game changer for many local hospitals that did not have an adequate supply chain of N95 masks. Many of the local hospitals within my area have been buying them for all their employees, and I just want to say I cannot be any happier with this product. It has been really, really good. So when you get a filter for your mask, it's going to come individually wrapped just like this. They are a little bit expensive. They're about $2.50, and you can get that price down if you buy them in bulk. But in my own personal experience, I can usually get about 6 12-hour shifts out of each filter. The major indication that I find to change mine is when you start to feel that it is a little bit more difficult to breathe through, and additionally, if you start to get it soiled, especially on the inside, if you have any nasal drainage. So when I use this mask, it has been something that I find extremely comfortable and has really, really done a great job. So the filter that you see installed currently is one that has had 6 12-hour shifts. It is still working pretty well. What I like to do is at least change it once a week, sometimes every other week. But I just want to say, for someone that's really trying to not spend too much money and just wants to get just the bare essentials, this is going to work quite well. So the simple answer to my question is about 6 12-hour shifts is what works for me. But always consult the manufacturer's instructions and your own hospital policy with regards to changing out your filters. I just want to say thank you to Envo Mask for making a game-changing product that's helped many, many people save throughout a global pandemic. I think this is a great product. I really enjoy owning it, and I'm just so thankful to have one. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today. This has just been a really quick video on how long you can get a use out of an Envo Mask filter. If you have any questions or suggestions, as always, please feel free to leave that right in the comment section below. I'd really love to check it out. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.